Motor for uniform people them inside Boya this afternoon or morning time. It almost caused confusion for that side. For Sika Plenty Speedway the make motor says because three other motor them for jam now for that side. So for support market this morning time. Tori say for this afternoon we go take una we talk this palava for Moto 2 where it catch fire for side where they call am say Pepanda this inside Douala. As one as Sabi case for Corona SSF is also them according to number when Minister for Sick People them give for some time when 193 people then just now when they get the sick. But Sabi saying governor just now in the plan for say when number don't reach 200 they go send all them for side where they call am say Olembe. So when governor in the build the house where they go pay na small money before people them enter for day. So for Sika this palava for Corona country people them acquire them for South Africa. Them say they talk say main governor only look out na people the way it dey so they know they for inside the binet. May they sabi to say them too they make losses inside this palava for Corona we don't enter for South Africa. We go talk that one this afternoon country people them na so say we go take una we talk other waka them as we as somewhere Cletus when a deal for inside Tico SSF it don't work for sensitize a population them. On top this palava for Corona, the guidance post now the only newspaper we did for we before this afternoon. Big part talk in the tech for we say person where he grow with a lion, he know the fear dog. Say person where he grow with a lion, he know the fear dog. Napa longer for that side so from Gaundere. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. We return back some more time. Afternoon, country people them another time for we for tell una waiting where we eye. It don't see as we country it go for before. Chapter for this afternoon we go start now for inside Boya for great support this afternoon where they so a motor for that side so when a uniform people their own to the way enter we here. It cause confusion for place where they call them say great support. It be then at this morning time. Sabi say the same great support on the people them na place where they so binet people them it be then a big day for market where they for opposite OIC for side for great support for side with this accident except it pass at this morning time. Lucky no one eye person in no sleep straight but when una see motor them say the turn up for long line make una sabi say trouble it day for before Boya you know they ever get traffic but when it day so sabi say confusion day for then na the motor that or na the CM so this uniform put their motor will be the waka with plenty speed. Now way it cause confusion just for corner great support market day for OIC. It make them three motor them the jam where mommy the one cross enter for motor inside the taxi them. It make them mommy then chop all the finish. That white motor he locks it the motor jam the he locks itself it turn a jam taxi and it jam another motor. It make them all then they get confusion for on top this palava for Sika Plenty speed. Sabi say no one eye person no die but one mommy says they struggle for movie for that side. No one eye person no be sleep straight on top this chapter. Even person forget caught it no be there but not just for Sika Plenty speed where these three motor then says the jam now for side for OIC market for great support where this one happen. No person too it no get caught. The people that is also continue for back. May big people them for inside Boya they try for back the uniform people them. Say when they dey for inside motor may they know the overrun. Sabi say this overrun for motor for Boya since it don't cause plenty confusion. Make we hear wait to some of the people them with the talk with the driver we be there for inside one of the motor and person where city will happen it talk for we.
Just support my back, motor jam my back. The motor turn round. Now I'm motor jam my motor for back. I go on for the motor cut. I'm picture of the motor turn now. The motor turn. Go inside the motor. Motor turn now the face now up.
Stand and carry passenger. So the man the person don't open the door put me. So only here for my bank. Boom. As a man where the army motor now the car was speed. Jam this one. Like jam this one now. You want come. No, she don't have no one. No one see no person waiting for
For inside Douala here country people them side where they call am say Bepanda na for the way the population says be surprised on top this motorway just turn up. It start for cash fire E1. Sabi say motor the cash fire people then say they be the only the pass for corner. No be na say na some person he put fire for on top the motor. People then say they the only pass surprise. Say how motor E1 he go just wake up so it turn up. It the cash fire and the fire no be na any kind of one for sika say that kind of heat self. Now that can hit way una sabi if una don't go for hellfire before una go understand say that one said it be small for on top this chapter. Motor it turn up so it burn as well the motor the burn. Good Samaritan says he call army rescue people them. Army rescue people then says for inside Godi. One time when they call them, all them they run enter on top this palaba as well they try for go see wait where they go do for loss at that fire where it catch for place where they call them say Bepanda. It no be there easy as well the motor it be so continue for the cash where all the one then so be the happen now for face for army rescue them where then say that they prepare for see as well they go start for loss that fire make it no continue but sabi say as well they prepare last they be lost all the fire after they finish waste plenty time but the motor be already burn but they be lost a fire for the motor after where they finish lost fire for the motor how the motor is skin can be the motor jaw can be na pakolo as well na go see am na only empty motor they can meet up am so now no man he never fit for talk wait till really pass with this motor he start for cash fire E1 for that side so for Bepanda now for inside Douala here with this one a pass. And just for Sabi, chapter for Corona, we don't open them. Now just for we for talk, since for modern time, number never so change before one enter say for Tori house or blow Tori. The same number we minister for sick people then give for 17 minutes past 7 this morning time. It is show as a Dr. Malauda Malashitewi, 94 of the people there, they be put them for hotel for Yawende. They be check them whether they get the sick or they no get them. Inside that 94, 51, the day where they get the sick for their skin. 19 their own case, it confused even doctor themselves said they no sabi way to where they sick. 24 of the case them they no get sick for on top their skin. So total Cameroon just now again now 193 cases them for this sick for corona and just now the same talk now for we for look at our skin as so sabi inside this palaba inside Douala says people them this also come out sabi say ambassador for France Oga Christophe Guilou if you don't talk say well aeroplane he go there we go carry people them France people there they want turn the back for country for say may they take them turn back as we condition the worry but they be there them plenty for dumb up for that company for aeroplane for inside Douala here with some they say they come for 4 o'clock other one they be go there for 6 o'clock but with their ticket no way no nothing no day as well the people themselves where they get for come answer their question whether the aeroplane he go there for them or aeroplane no go there for them no man he no be can talk for them plenty where they be even cancel for 4 o'clock where he no be there at all as we all man he be the wait now forget answer for the people them but last the thing where the people they be last come out talk for them now say the aeroplane where he be get for carry people them go it already flop as soon as sabi now Christophe Guilou said be make this announce and after they announce they try for talk where we say another aeroplane day where he go surely come out for country on Saturday so maybe the one the way they no be get chance inside the aeroplane will come out on Tuesday it means say or today where the aeroplane get for come out it means say they go wait so for Saturday before they go enter for another aeroplane if and only if you know flop again so now just the confusion that will be happen for a company where they carry people then come out for outside the country where they call them Air France aeroplane company and sabi say place where people then say they fit get the sick plenty corona where person if he give you now inside park and will be there for Bonaberry Park for Douala form park he had before you see park it shine so but just now even driver then says they don't get mind for say they get for clean place so it be then a total clean up for inside park place where they be the ever mash they know the wash am just now sika corona all money hate it don't turn a fine say corona it like na dirty place so just now all then they get for wash just seen them even palava for water way turn up for all corner them for park as soon as they see am no man he no go talk say water and soap he no dey way them say they fit for wash hand. So even for agency them, they get their own water where it dey for corner and even tin them for raise hand after we wash hand. So now just palava for say, oh man, remember say this corona way we dey talk, nothing where we say we fit at make a run come up for we country. Make we hear El Haji way the local park for Bonaberry. He talk for we small.
Inside this park may be neat and all passengers will come inside this park so that we can wash their hands before they enter inside the hotel. Make all possible means to make sure so and all places inside this park may try to be clean and neat. So we pray to say this virus may not come contact us for coming.
We come up from Bonaberry Park, we go take moto, waka nayo, we go reach a place where they call them say Manjo na fonda Mongo division, we mayor for inside Manjo, even as he be get for shidon for office, he come up for office, he go meet up population for outside, whether na for Manjo or even for Lowe, all the one then so, now work with mayor and his own council work people they do for sensitize the council people they or sensitize people them for inside Manjo and one then say for Lowe. They want a target for side where they go from Banga, but all them are for Lowe side and all man it be get for can wash hand as we council they don't put a container and even white man soap for all corner for say me put them wash hand. So now mayor for inside Manjo Sesep it the wakam sensitize people them on top palava important say they so them say they get for the wash your hand all time and they no go get for turn up for corner some person we it the cough as we mayor tonton it talk for population where it dem under Manjo. Make we hear wait till Mami Mayor Sesep, he talk for we on top this palaver.
But for house, you two you must took for Pikin say they not must take hand, they put them for face. You go shoot Pikin say they not salute some man with your hand. You go shoot for Pikin say he must wash your hand with his soup. Or na shoot makabo. But all problem again I say any man begin wash your hand. And you shoot for Pikin say they not begin she don't sew again. Any man she don't for your own place. Now so any man go talk for house. And if for Yahweh when I dey all day, when I dey for work, you not go down for go for house, for go wash your hand for house. Now for some with the phone now what I say how would I work for you? If you do one job something, you not go run for house for wash your hand. Any man must wash hand. If you some man don't in the one job says nothing for you. In fact, it take water. This water when we bring so melation there for inside. You must be take and wash hand, you feel chop something. And you not select some man with the hand soap. And you know make no embrace some man. So now, and it's not begin pull your hand for face. Not pull your hand for your face.
Now, Mayor, that for inside the Manjo, where they sensitize, it teach a population, palava they sick for corona, but Sabi say the population says they talk, make the water a day all time, make soap too a day all time, so that population to go start for lender good fashion, where they get for the wash your hand all time. We'll be put microphone for some Okada man and even some Pinen man inside Manjo. Make we hear them.
So when Mayor don't make up for say, meeting them begin work up inside the way. I like how we can put in the world the wash hand so that me signal come affect me inside the way. But you want to say as I will can put us so me try wait for put all day so that me the water me no to lamp because all man for in a plantain they go farm turn back and they chop save way they need to wash hand. At least if the water day all man go try way for wash hand. Even the water finish, even Terika talk for sabon, they can't put up for here. We know say our sabon for wash your hand. At least we can take a small wash hand keep up for the different way they come for back. Thank Mayor as a way to come for to come back with for here. Thank you.
Madame le maire for Manjo, il s'est long comme fait arrondissement pour sensibiliser la population. And for sure, the fix for being do for problem sanitaire. Tu l'as what I don't bring up. I make in my musician, make people, make in body no put say na lighting way to talk. Because many people they talk say na lie. The way plenty people they die.
People then follow away, and even for Manjo where they talk on top palava for sensitize we may come up for teach them. We go come up for Manjo, we go land for Tiko subdivision. Now for Fako division would enter. Oga Cletus Asongwe when a divisional officer SSF in a Chief Peter Mesoso when a mayor inside the Tiko council. All them they be there for outside. Now for talk for population and for make them understand. For say Tiwen Gomna don't talk, all man he must to respect them. Sabi say waka for Oga DO for Tiko subdivision. Oga Cletus he be there for sensitize the people them life for this place where they decide chop. He don't talk say they go lock am. For Sika say no get place where people they fish it on and even up way water people they feel wash your hand. Sabi say Oga Mayor we be there with Oga DO as well they be the tonton. He too he don't talk say Tiko town he must to get waiting. All place must to get water. So he be then a chapter for DO and Mayor for tonton for here. This chop where this speaking carry am so na chop where mommy they don't send and say make it go sell. Mommy DO the ask or DO the ask whether na the thing that way they talk for them say me they should done for us or do. So he don't talk say they go seize that pop off where they picking carry am for it. Say that papa then say by mommy they go sabi say if they talk say make school no day now for sika this was day no be na say make the same picking them for outside for the go sell pop off or go sell granite. So they go seize that thing for it. Sabi say for dom up for Tiko council or for any place as well they enter. Big thank the day we mayor too for that side for Tiko Chief Mesoso Peter. He don't put them for say make people then say they get that good fashion for wash your hand with his soap and even with his until way he they clean for wipe their hands. So now the thing that will be passed for inside Tiko, palava for sensitize and palava for teach people them as well they get for look out. This chapter for washing hand too, he don't enter from Ngata now for that side. So for Bamenda we Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa when a barrister Agbobala Felix he did like head boy them say they carry container take and go right from Ngata for Bamenda for try for talk for we come be them where they dey from Ngata say palava now so now for wash hand and for always remain clean for say make this sick where they call them corona you know meet up them but Sabi say this civil society them too they detox him in Gomna it check sense for see as well they go left some people there they dey from Ngata for Sika say our Ngata then say they overtight so they beg na beg Sabi say different country them they don't left plenty people them from Ngata with their own thing where they do them you know overthrown. So now the same example as we Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa a carry washing hand go for inside Ngata for place where they call them say Bamenda. Now, as soon as Sabi, this palava for say make we know overturn for corner people them. It don't make plenty people them except they get sense. As well they go the lookout thing them. We go take una enter for inside some place where they call them Toluca then for Mexico. Now, for Sika say they no want and say make people there they can buy and people there they give them service. They try for do it in and meet up head. They don't put na wrapping paper so that when the person they talk, maybe speed, it no go come up from up. It touch people there they sell and so that wrapping it then like the small barrier where it go make them say person where they buy and person where it they pay for ye then no go get any contact for say speed self it come up for your mob. So for now the thing that way people then for Toluca they don't do them for Mexico for say make they no get any contact make they no turn out with some of the people there that they can buy for inside their business place them na idea for chapter for social distancing as we them say they no want and say meeting they happen for them. So now the idea that for inside Toluca for Mexico palava for corona. Now for place where they call them say Bangkok na place where they say tea for say make the people then where they can buy the tea and the people there they sell make they no mix up make we try for see waiting two way they don't do them for that side for Bangkok. Now so person they take something here and for another person for hand they don't make some way where it is so this thing if you work a fine for that side. So for Bangkok make we try for see this other one for Bangkok now so way for say make people they know the over meet up for contact for inside this palava for coronavirus as well this now so they do and just now they don't make something na place where they say tea they send you the thing then after they drag them so it means a person where they sell sell and person wey dey come buy, they no dey meet up at all. Money too, you dey put am na for inside the same place. Na house wey dey sell tea, na for the way na the thing that they don't decide. Say you will come buy, they put your thing, e dey drag, e will enter come meet you. After you take am, you put your money too for inside, they drag and to take and go back, so that people them they no go dey meet up, and they no go dey touch. Now for inside place wey they call am say Bangkok, where this one in the pass. So people there they sell and people there they buy, they know they meet up. One of the strong number them this afternoon, it be dinner for South Africa, and this one na tori wey common sell for that side. Now person na talk man that for prostitute for inside South Africa acquire them, where he the talk say acquire them too they hear bad for sika this corona. So he the talk say men governor for South Africa, a member say acquire them too they work for day, and for sika this sick way don't come say corona acquire them say they hear bad. So men governor know the only check now for people there they know they do acquire, make it check palava binet too for acquire people them, so that them too they go the she done for house, they no go the come up for outside say they want go knock and that, so that they go get money. So just now Stockman for people there they work acquire for inside South Africa, he beg na beg say men governor too he member acquire them for sick I say them too they lost business now, market no day too for them. Sabi say palava for contact for meet up another person is skin. Now one of the thing them too that way no fine as well this sick day for outside. So them say that they talk from governor for that side for South Africa, say acquire them say their binet it don't go down for sika corona. Say men governor too he member them for inside Queen Elisa country as well as Sabi people the way they fight this sick plenty. Now people the way they so they call them say doctor them, and for inside Queen Elisa country as well doctor them say they be the pass people them for Queen Elisa country they come out plenty, they clap, they thank doctor them for the better work way they do for say me they fight this coronavirus, whether not for Birmingham, whether not for Sheffield, whether not for Middlesbrough, or even for Downing Street when not for the way it is so governor prime minister office it day all them they be there for outside for congratulate doctor them with them the fight for say me this corona finish as we all man eternal for window, whether not for clap hand or for knock bucket, all them now for talk thank you for the doctor where they do better work. Now for Downing Street this prime minister office where prime minister says come up for outside for clap for this doctor them, and all side as well you see that blue thing them. Now NHS we concern a doctor their work, the doctor association where they time them for sika the better thing they do and for say me they fight this coronavirus. So all people them they join up for talk say me the doctor they continue for fight, and make una no forget say the same that doctor the way they look away them say they get picking them for outside country people them. Now they told them that way we I see today, but before we come out we get newspaper way day for we before Guardian Post where they tell we Cameroon money people then just now Cameroon they toss money it don't disappear for sika this palava for fight for coronavirus. You go read that chapter in the proper for inside the Guardian Post. Waiting Human Rights Watch too it don't talk again from governor say me they do you feel read inside the Guardian Post where they for outside today. So for the Guardian Post they tell we palava for treasury bond some money way if you make them it add plenty in governor they be done the do since waiting it day for that chapter for Tori. You go read them too as with the Guardian Post it talk for we this afternoon. We get Amos Fongo, Malice, and even Ledu where they join me ambassador for say make we make Toriwe una see am for outside this afternoon. We go there and we go so continue for work. Now for say make we sabi wash your hand, no come for corner people them, no salute person with your hand, turn far away from people them. Some of the thing them we fit for do for say make this sick in no meet you. If Papa God help as all the tonton the look place for some time for 8 o'clock we go meet up. Una hold am tight for outside.